what I got here is a Durant 1929, and Durant was the founder of General Motors, and he got fired after about 10 years, and he started his own car company called Durant Motors. This right here is the Durant M2. It has a four-banger in there, and there's been no change except for the starter. The seats have been recovered and new carpet. Besides that, everything on this car is original. Also, the car was originally bought in Rockwell, Georgia, and the family, and I bought it from that family this year. So I'm really the second owner of the car. First owner outside the family originally bought it. So I'm real pleased with it. It runs real well.
Hello, I'm Bruce with the Columbus Corvette Club. Got my 16 convertible Stingray Z51 LT3. Love my car. Searched for a long time to find the exact one I wanted. My wife jokingly said, "I think you love that car more than me," and I said, "Well, baby, don't make me choose." So, thank you.
Well, it's 2014 C7. I bought it with about 2,800 miles on it or so. Z51 package. And it was, I guess, a one-owner car that a guy drove a little bit. I liked it because of the Velocity yellow color, which they only made 1 year. So anyway, I've enjoyed it and put about 10,000-12,000 miles on it since I had it.
Hi, my name is David LeGrand. I got a hot rod shop up in Warm Springs. This is the shop truck, aka the Bastard, as it says right here on the back. It started out as a 1950 Chevrolet pickup truck and has now been heavily customized. It's chopped, sectioned, channeled, you name it, unibodied, air ride, pretty much the whole 9 yards.
Hello, this is a 1996 Camaro Z28 SS. A little bit of history on these cars. They were a factory GM car, but they were sent to SLP in Trenton, New Jersey, and they were modified. Some of the modifications on its cold air induction, also special exhausts that were put on it. Each one of these cars were numbered from the factory. This happens to be number 1010. They came from the factory rated at 305 horsepower. This one's been modified just a little bit, and power is unknown. We'll just keep it that way. And also, the difference, and this is kind of a one-year only thing, is that the air cleaner actually has Z28 SS. From that point forward, they dropped it, and nothing else is on there. On the inside, each one of these cars comes from the factory with a plate and the individual number on there for the car. And this particular one has 36,000 miles on it. And I'm the third owner of it.
How you doing? It's a 2011 Audi R8 Spider, doing a little over 600 horsepower.
How many horsepower?
A little over 600.
Hi, my name's John. This is the first time I've been to this car show. I'm from California. Just came out here to Georgia to see what these boys got out here, and hope to have a good time. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mike Miles. This is a 1939 Chevrolet four-door sedan. It's got a 350 Chevrolet motor in it with a 700 R4. Granada rear end, Mustang 2 front end. It's got 02 Pontiac Bonneville seats, front and rear. '69 Camaro RS. I bought it. It had a carbureted 383 in it. Had a Dodge Viper 6-speed transmission in it. I took all that out, put a LS engine in it, 4L80E, Detroit Speed subframe connectors, Detroit Speed mini tubs. It's got a triangulated 4-link rear suspension and all under Ford rear end. It's been narrowed up with Moser axles in it. And I do have a twin turbo setup to go on it, but it is not on there right now. Still in the works. But has vintage air and drive it everywhere.
Hey, I'm Dwight. This is my 1944 Deluxe sedan. I got it from my dad. It's got a 350 Chevrolet motor, 700 R4, air conditioning, future engine, LS3. I'm hoping to see it soon.